Companies are facing tremendous pressures today, and in order to stay competitive, they need to be able to keep up by building fast, moving fast, and focusing on providing customers the experiences they want, everything connected and available on demand. They also need to innovate themselves. MuleSoft is enabling companies to innovate and stay competitive by providing them the tools and an approach to accomplish this. This is using API-led connectivity to build application networks. In the first module, you will take a closer look at the challenges being faced by companies today. You'll explore application networks and the API-led connectivity approach, and you'll learn how to use it to transform your business. You will then learn about APIs and web services and how to make calls to both secure and unsecured APIs. These challenges aren't new. There has always been competition and a desire to innovate, so what's different now? What's different is the rate of change being faced by IT organizations. In the past, there were fewer changes to the technology landscape, and they played out over many years. However, now, IT is being constantly bombarded by changes. There has been an explosion of mobile devices and applications, social media, cloud offerings, smart devices, and access to a massive amount of data that comes with them. These are the digital disruptors that require IT to change the way that they operate. To succeed, companies must be able to quickly respond to all these changes and leverage them as they continually get introduced. The yellow line on this graph represents the relatively fixed capacity available to address these disruptors. The distance between it and the resources needed to overcome the challenges is known as the transformation delivery gap. Unless something changes, this gap is going to continue to widen as the pace of technology change continues to increase. As it stands today, IT cannot deliver projects to the business fast enough to keep up with the pace of change. Hiring more people will only raise the capacity so much. What is needed is a more transformative change to the IT operating model. Instead of building and delivering every project themselves, central IT needs to use its delivery capacity to create reusable assets that can be discovered and reused by the rest of the organization. Central IT needs to produce the assets and enable the entire organization to consume them. In this way, core systems of record can be unlocked while IT still maintains control over them. Scale can now be achieved by distributing the workload across the organization, and the delivery gap can be closed. In this new IT operating model, now when lines of business have ideas and want to innovate rapidly, instead of having to wait in line for IT to get to their projects, their developers can self-serve, building their own solutions using the core assets created and governed by IT. This gives the company the speed it needs to respond to market pressures, leverage new technologies, and innovate.